guys, this is Byron, and I'm going to be showing you how to add custom mods to my TTT Minigames Mods add-on. Now, what you need to do is once you've downloaded and installed the mod, you will go to your TTT Mods server mods folder. Once you're in this folder, you should see something like this, which is the currently existing mods in the default version. You are then going to create a new Lua folder. It can be entirely blank. Drag and drop it while Garry's Mod is not active. This won't work until you've restarted your server. Drag and drop it into your mods folder. At that point, open up the file, and you're going to need to do three things to get the mod to load into the add-on correctly. So, the first thing you need to do is give it a function. This can be a local function. It can be called anything you want. I'll use some dynamic connection like that. I'll just get nice long print so we can see that it runs really easily. That's the first thing. This function will be run whenever whenever your mod round is selected. So whenever a round starts that should run your mod, it'll run this function. The next thing you need is a local settings table. What the settings table will contain is one entry. The entry will be your mod name. And this mod table, or this entry, will be a table of settings. Basically, the settings can be numbered like this. You don't have to include the numbers, but I do it because it makes it easier to read. Basically, each setting should contain another table. This table will have two things in it. The first thing will be the name of the setting, and the second thing will be the value. The second thing, so it can be either a number setting, or it can be a Boolean setting as you saw previously. So I'll just make 3 for demonstration. These numbers can be whatever you want. Remember, they can be seconds, they can be health, they can be credits, it can be whatever you want. It just basically saves the number or Boolean value. Then, after that, you're down two things down. The last thing you need to do is actually load the mod into the settings folder, or into the mod loader, basically. So what that means is you run the function add mod, then you give it a settings file, or the settings table, and you give it the function you created, and you're done. The final thing is when you're accessing these settings, make sure not to access the local table that you created. Make sure to access the settings, TTT mods.settings, your mod name, whatever that is. Remember, capitals do matter. And then the number of the setting. In this case, we'll do 3. And then if you want to access the name of the setting, use the number 1. Otherwise, access the value of the setting using the number 2. We'll go ahead and print that out. Easy for you guys to see that it works. Alright. Now we will, that's good enough for me. Now we're going to go ahead and start up Garry's Mod. And your mod is fully loaded into the add-on. So now once the server starts, go ahead and look at the console. It hasn't given any errors. So now we look at our actual mod directory, and we'll see that we have a new mod installed in the menu here. The name is mod name, which is what the name of the folder was. It has these settings, name of the setting, blah blah blah. We'll change this to 500. Save it. So remember, if we access back to the menu, it will save these values across the server and the client. And then we'll go ahead and create a cycle. I'll just run it twice. Just once, run cycle once, but run the mod twice. And then I'm sorry, multiplayer. Add a bot so that the round starts. And remember, we've told it to print a lot of @ signs when the round starts. And also, the value of the third one, which remember we changed from 999 to 500. That's how you do it. Your mod's loaded, and you can do whatever you want from that point. Thanks for watching, guys, and have a good day.